So let me tell y'all about this hair. So I got this hair from ALIBELE. This is another AliExpress store. So I come to realize that all these AliExpress stores are the same. They say it's Malaysian or like Indian or Eurasian. It's really just the same Chinese hair from the same factory, but they're processing it in a different way, like steam processing it. So it's giving it a different look, okay? So now that we know that AliExpress doesn't really carry like all these different patterns, we need to focus on which one has the most manageability, okay? My ALIBELE hair came in a package like this, the number on the back, pretty lackluster. They came with some lashes as well, which were really cute, I guess, but I'm never gonna wear them. But you know, I like the customer service. I can definitely say that when she was she just kept contacting me like, you know, Lana, did you get your product yet? How is it? Please let us know. You know, I never responded, but I do appreciate it regardless. From ALIBELE, I got two 22 inches and a 20 inch. I didn't end up using the 20 inch just because I was a little afraid. I was looking at the hair and I was just like, I don't like the way it looks, the way it feels. It just feels processed. I know it's processed, but like, damn, let me at least believe that it's not for a second. So I decided to go ahead and rush order from Unice, which basically like the same thing, but for some reason I feel like I like Unice's hair better than ALIBELE's. I don't know, the color is different and so is the texture. Maybe I'm bugging, maybe it's in my head. Let me know in the comment section if you order from ALIBELE and Unice and if you noticed a difference or not. But so let me tell y'all, so I ordered a frontal at first. This is a closure. This closure is from Unice. I ordered a frontal first from ALIBELE and I was like, yes, I'm gonna be half up, half down mommy. Y'all, it's just very frizzy. I just felt like I would have the worst time trying to manage. Do you see that? Basura. This is what they sent to me. Not all this lint and stuff because I done threw it away at this point, but this hair looks so raggedy. No. The frontal, do not buy the frontal from ALIBELE. It's not worth it. The bundles on the other hand, I'm not having a problem with them just as yet. I have been wearing it for about a week and some change now. So keep this hair looking nice, I've been using a conditioner, Dove conditioner. I like the way it smells and it does the job. And then I just spritz it down with water either every day or every other day. Sometimes I like when it gets nice and like big and poofy. It looks really cute and ethereal. So to keep the curls, because sometimes it doesn't actually get frizzy, but I like for it to get big. So that means I have to separate some of the curls, and to keep it from looking like big and just a mess, I actually like to use herbal essence. Anyway, so I use that at the ends of my hair and I give it like a nice little scrunch. This is me sitting down right now and it comes past my boobs. So this is 22 inches on me. I really like it. I really enjoy it. I think it's pretty. I think it's really pretty. Would I order from here again? Probably not. I just know that there's better. Like, you know, why go back when you know that there's better? And I also have another wig from another place, from Unice, as I was talking about earlier. Okay, so this is it right here. And let's just compare right now. So this is brown. This is a little bit browner, but I just recently washed it. I am just loving it. My hair is okay, but like I said, Unice, ALIBELE. Unice, ALIBELE. So I do get shedding. This is what I expected. You can expect shedding. Tangles at the back, at the nape of my neck, I have not gotten yet, so that's something I can say that you can look forward to. So there is a smell when you first get it that is probably going to take about 3 washes for you to get it out. I personally don't like the smell. It smells like chemicals. So on the 3rd wash I was like, yes, finally, because as you know, the more hair you have, it just kind of becomes your scent. you know? So you always want your hair to be smelling like luscious. And I showed you guys what I use for that. I just use like a regular shampoo, but I use Dove. I use Dove Fortifying Conditioner with avocado. That smells amazing. So this is my review for ALIBELE hair. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That's how you know you're about to have a good night. When you finish doing all your makeup and you look bomb without your hair. Like, listen, once I throw this unit on, it's over for you hoes. Like, I'm killing all of y'all. Let me go throw it on right now.